Okay, I have fresh spinach, mushrooms, some onion, some fresh dill, and I got this garlic. I didn't feel like cutting up any today. But this is gonna be my filling for my cakes. Yes, I bought some fresh strawberries today. Yummy. And in this pan, I'm letting the onion and the garlic and the mushrooms saute down. I'm gonna let these cook for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna add my spinach. I'm gonna add a little bit of Himalayan salt over that so they can render down a little bit more. This smells so good. Now I squeezed over the top some lemon. So you can use like maybe a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I had a really big lemon, so I squeezed every last drop over it. And I'm just gonna let these continue to cook until all of the water has been evaporated, and then I'm going to add my spinach. Now the original recipe didn't ask for spinach, but I like spinach in anything that I cook or eat, and this is going to be a great filling with the spinach. And I'm going to do a rough chop on the spinach and then put it in there. As you can see, I put some spinach in there. I had a little extra, so I'm going to put that spinach in there, and I'm going to let that just cook down for like say 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm going to add some fresh dill for some freshness. That looks good. Yum. And this is what it should look like. I turned the fire off, and I'm just going to let this cool down, and then I'm going to use this filling to put into my patty. Okay, in this bowl is 3/4 cup of almond flour, a teaspoon of Psyllium husk, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, or you can use Celtic sea salt, and this is like 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, these are roasted radishes, and this is what I eat on the keto lifestyle. The original recipe asked for potatoes, so what I used was radishes. So I'm doing an experiment tonight. Hopefully that this will incorporate well with my almond flour mixture. So I'm modifying this whole recipe. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, these are my radishes, and I put them in my blender. Like maybe I think it's like maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, mashed it down so it can have like a nice mashed consistency. And then I'm going to blend these two together. And this is what's going to form the patty for me. Okay, my lovelies, I added another 3/4 cup of the almond flour. I didn't put any Psyllium husk, but I just added another 3/4 cup of almond flour because I need this to be firm enough to put my stuffing in and pan fry it. Okay, my lovelies, I put the patty in my hand and I put the filling inside, and then I'm going to fold it in. Okay, my lovelies, I had to add more of the masa, what we call it, on top, and then put the stuffing in there, which I did previously, and flattened it out. So I just hope they flip over, because this is my first time modifying this recipe and seeing this going to hold. The almond flour is going to hold. Okay, my lovelies, I try to fry these. Didn't work out too well, but I put them in the oven and I baked them. And I just pulled them out. Look at that. Now that is already cooked. That's not doughy. It's already cooked. But it's stuffed with the mushrooms and the spinach and the garlic. Oh my God. That is so fluffy and delicious. So If you like this video, because I do, like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to call this my keto style stuffed mashed potatoes. You guys have a great night. Bye-bye.